Today is the history dated 1st September 1947 when the Indian Standard Time was introduced as the official time for the whole country. Have you ever heard of Jantar Mantar? These structures use the position of the sun and the direction of the shadows to tell the time in the ancient days. First Jantar Mantar was constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh in 1724 in Jaipur to calculate the local time. Different kingdoms in India used these Jantar Mantar structures to calculate their own local time. Later in 1802, astronomer John Goldingham established the longitude of Chennai as 13 degrees 5 minutes 24 seconds north, 80 degrees 18 minutes 30 seconds east, which was 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. This was for the first time that a current time zone has been used. As a result, a day started at midnight where previously day would begin at sunrise. Despite this, most towns and cities continue to depend on their own local times until the introduction of the railways in 1850s. After trains started, it became difficult for the people to know when train arrives and departures because of adopting local timings. The International Meridian Conference in Washington DC in 1884 established uniform time zones for across the world. As a result, India adopted two time zones, Kolkata time, which was set 5 hours 30 minutes and 21 seconds in advance of the Greenwich Mean Time, and Mumbai time, which was 4 hours 51 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Adopting two time zones created a lot of confusion. So, to maintain the uniformity of time within the country, the standard meridian of India is taken as 82.5 east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. But why is it 82.5 east longitude? Because the standard meridian divides the country into two equal parts, as India's longitudinal extent is 68 degrees east to 97 degrees east. The average of these is exactly 82.5 degrees east. So there are exactly 14.5 longitudes towards east and west, making 82.5 degree east longitude as ideal longitude. But because of this, there is a difference between local and standard time. For example, the longitudinal gap between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is about 30 degrees, which means sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh than Gujarat. As a result, our internal body clock is affected by environmental signals like sunlight and temperature, which slow down our productivity and efficiency. Many experts believe that 1 hour shift in IST will yield results. That means 6 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.